Hi, this is Plush and welcome to the unpacking of the USB vacuum cleaner. Staubsauger in German. Aspiradora. This may be Italian or Spanish, I don't know. Aspirateur. This is French. So, let's open it. So, I think we can attach these two things, the little mini broom and the little mini, whatever you want to call it, to the top. It's a long way to the top if you want to rock and roll. Click. To operate the mini vacuum, first connect and plug in the USB head to your computer for power. Then push the on-off button one time to switch on to use. So, the USB connection. We press the button. This will really put our little vacuum cleaner to the test. I prepared some breadcrumbs. Good luck, my little vacuum cleaner. The marvels of modern technology. Oh, it looks so sexy. This is the on-off button. And this is the opening button for the plexiglass trash compartment. See? We open it, we empty it, there's even a mini filter. We reattach it, and then we can vacuum some more. Bye-bye for now, the hairy bear.